Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a new WordPress blog using SiteGround. SiteGround is a fantastic web host that is budget friendly. They have fantastic service, so if you call them, someone will answer and they'll be willing to help you and answer your questions. And from start to finish, it takes approximately 5 minutes to get a WordPress site from signing up for the service to actually being able to access your site and even put up a post if you wanted to do that. So I'm going to walk you through this and show you how easy it is and why I think SiteGround should be the #1 web host for all new bloggers. So you're going to go to SiteGround.com and then you are going to click on Sign Up. One of the great things about SiteGround is that they have tiered pricing. So you can see they have a startup plan, which is good for visitors getting up to 10,000 visits per month. They have a Grow Big plan, which is ideal for getting 25,000 visits per month. And they have the Go Geek plan, which is for 100,000 visits per month. And you can start at the smallest plan and scale up as your website starts growing. What's nice about this is that you don't have to pay for space you're not yet using. A lot of web hosts will make you do that. You'll pay more to pay for the space that you may need one day. But chances are, starting off, you're not going to be hitting 10,000 visits per month right away. So I recommend starting at the lowest level. Once you're ready to move up, SiteGround will be happy to move you to the next plan, which obviously costs a little bit more each one, but overall, compared to other plans, really aren't too bad. So we're going to do the startup today, and we're going to hit Click Now, Order Now. From here, you can register a new domain, or if you already have a domain, you can transfer it over. We are going to register for a new domain today, and I'm going to make this Blogs Demo, and then this is .com, but you can see they have lots of different endings there. But we're going to do OshiblogsDemo.com. And you can see domain registration with your first year is free. After the first year, you are going to be charged $14.95 per year for the domain name, so that is something to keep track of, that it is a recurring fee, unfortunately. From there, we're going to hit Proceed, and we are going to come to the payment page. Congratulations, domain OshiblogsDemo.com is available for free registration with your hosting account. Fantastic. So you are going to fill in all of your payment information here. Once you have your payment information filled in, you are going to scroll down to Purchase Information. From here, you can see that we've chosen this startup plan. Your data center will be in Chicago, and the period that you will be paying for today, you can choose 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, or a 1-month trial. Because SiteGround has this crazy deal right now, $3.95 a month, which is really a fantastic price for web hosting, you have the option of prepaying at that rate for 36 months if you wanted to. Your site may grow during that time, in which case you still would upgrade to the higher plan. It won't lock you into $3.95 even if you need more space. But let's say you don't. That's really a fantastic price. Web hosting never costs $3.95 a month. And one of the things that upsets bloggers a lot is web hosts draw them in by giving them a really cheap rate for that first year, and then after that the prices go up. If you lock in the prices now, obviously that's not going to be an issue after the first year, but that's completely up to you. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see some extra services. They are going to register your domain for you for this year, so $14.95 is free. Then there are 2 other options here that you can choose to use or not to use. When you register your website, your address is going to be attached to that information. So if someone were to Google your website, they could theoretically get your address. Domain privacy will prevent that from happening because SiteGround's address will be on your web information. Hack alert monitoring will let you know if someone is maliciously trying to access your website or is able to access your website and inject it with code. As for domain privacy, I have had many websites without domain privacy, and I've had websites where I have used it. It's completely up to you what you want to do there. Hack alert monitoring, I don't really think is necessary here because there are plugins that you can get that will do the same thing. So if you were to get rid of both of those, you would look at paying $47.40 for 1 year of service, which really isn't too bad at all. If you added domain privacy, it's $59.40. If you added hack alert monitoring, it's $71.40. It's completely up to you, though, what you want to do. So once you have figured that out, you are going to hit confirm and pay now. You'll find a screen that says your account was successfully created. You can now log into your customer area and start managing your website right away. Just like that, you are all set up. You are now the proud owner of a domain name and a web host. So we are going to proceed to the customer area. Here you'll see that there is a SiteGround account setup wizard. Targeted selection of site building software, free automatic software installation. They are basically going to set this up for you super quickly. This is what's awesome about SiteGround and that I haven't seen from anywhere else. Now you can do it on your own, and I've done it on my own. And that's not a problem either. But if you want to get a website set up super quickly, click on Start a New Website. And then we're going to hit Proceed. Account Setup Assistant. So you are going to fill in this information. What type of website do you need? I'm going to say this is a personal blog. Do you know which software you are going to use? Most of you are likely going to use Wordpress. So go ahead and click that and then hit Proceed. From here, you can choose your login details for Wordpress. This is the information you will use to log into your WordPress website once it's all set up. So your username, you can make whatever you would like it to be so that you can log into your website. So in this instance, I am just going to make mine Lisa Koivu, right? That's a terrible name, and hackers would figure that out pretty quickly, but for the purpose of this tutorial, that's pretty easy. Then you're going to go ahead and set up your password. Again, I'm not doing a particularly good one there. That's a medium password, but it's all set. From here, you can even choose a design template that will be installed along with your WordPress blog. This is something you're going to be able to change again later once you can get a better view of the site, although you can preview it. But for now, we are going to, let's choose Madison here. That looks like a pretty site. And we're going to hit Submit. We're just going to wait for it to load. And then, congratulations, you just completed your account setup. To log into your website, you are going to want to go to your domainname.com/wp-admin. That's the same for any WordPress site. And then once that loads, you'll be taken to the page that will let you log in. And just like that, you are all logged in to your new WordPress site. You can click on My Blog, and there you go. This is your new blog that you will now get the opportunity to personalize and set up to your liking. As you can see, it's oshiblogsdemo.com. Like I said, it took 5 minutes from the time we went to the SiteGround website to the point that we have a working blog here that we can now personalize. So I highly recommend SiteGround if you're looking for a new web host. They couldn't be easier to use. They're friendly people, and if you do get stuck in the login process or in the process of setting up your blog, you can always call them and they will help you. Another thing, if you're feeling overwhelmed once you get to this point, they call you the next day to see how things are going. So that's another great opportunity to ask them any questions. All right, so that is how you set up a new WordPress blog using SiteGround. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. But good luck setting up your blog, and soon we will go through some tutorials to make this bland website into something fabulous. Until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye.